Alright guys, there's a monster garter snake.
And it scared the,
It's like 3.5 feet long.
and it scared the crap.
I almost got it, but it's kind of pissed off now. But wow. Guys, I just flipped a little juvenile Oregon ensatina under a little tiny log.
What's the point of having?
Wow, that's so cool. Lesser woodpecker, or maybe even a Baird's. Tons of little guys.
Bunch of looks like geese and ducks over there.
Green winged teal scratching, pruning itself. Did they see them? What is up with the color? Whale.
In the tree?
No, on the ground. California quail.
Oak titmice.
Yeah, that's bananas. Little froggies everywhere.
Okay, Jaden, I want to walk in front of you. You're going to walk so slow.
Whoa. Tree frog. Just stand still. I'll get her lizard in the bush. There he is.
Trust you on that one. I don't see it. Oh, I see it. Oh, that is a big one.
Nice.
And now it's swimming across the river.
Oh yeah.
There he goes.
There you go.
Got it.
You missed it.
No, it's still right there. Buick's run. Good. Yes, evening grosbeak.
We have a good shot. I need them to be closer.
Bush tit. Nice. Wilson's warbler.
Look at that. Show us your waddle.
Those look like some fat quail.
Guys in full breeding plumage. Nice.
Backyard birding. It's the best. Stay right home and see some birds.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Big day and a hummingbird. Let's go. House finch is.
You grab them by the back, right? Or the wait, no, the tip of the tail.
Yeah,
Back.
like just behind the barb on the tail. This guy's kind of active to grab him. Nice. There's another one right next to it. All right,
I
just
can't
caught.
believe how fast those things are.
Yeah, just caught this nice western skink at friend's place. Nice, finally got him. Kind of hard, really hard actually.
Does it matter if they eat their tail?
Yeah, they store fat in their tails. So a flipping potato bug just went and ate.
Well, let's try and get
like tried to eat the tail.
let's try and get the tail out so the thing can eat it.
Oh my god, dude, that was flipping crazy. Oh my god. Dude, the tail is still right here.
Let's get it.
Right.
I honestly think we should just leave him alone though.
Yeah.
He is seriously good at his job.
Yeah. Alright, just got this little baby skink. We've been trying to catch like so many skinks. It just kept getting away. We finally got this one. And there's another big one in this pile, but we're just gonna let him be. Nice.
Chill.
What is he doing?
So anyway,
him.
she's right there in those trees and she's not like running away. She's just getting
I
down.
just caught this big bluebelly. Nice male. Yeah. Bear. Oh wow. Wow. It's climbing the tree. What? That's so wow.
It'll be a really good shot when he goes into the sun. I think he's eating. Licking slug slime.
Well, look at this big alligator lizard has right there. You can tell that back foot has got bit off by something. So I was gonna catch him, but decided not to because of that. Yeah, it was real cool. Sorry about your foot, buddy.